what are the few things that you can follow in summer when you have a dry skin and you want to have a skincare routine? First and foremost, make sure you drink plenty of water. Next thing, decrease your exfoliant usage. Let that be chemical exfoliant or a physical exfoliant. Make sure you do it only once in 20 days. And third thing, don't be too aggressive when it comes to using your face washes. Even though it is summer, even though you might face a humid weather outside, stick to gentle cleansers. Fourth, use moisturizers which are more gel based, which are much more lighter. They need to zap into your skin, they need to hydrate your skin, but these moisturizers should not act like a occlusant, and they should not block your skin. Your skin should be able to breathe, but simultaneously also hydrate. And make sure you drink good amount of coconut water, and aloe vera is one good option to hydrate your skin. I usually prefer natural aloe vera. It does lot more hydration than your store-bought aloe vera. And yes, if you're stepping out, make sure you use good sunscreen, preferably water-based, much more lighter, so that it's a lot more easier for you to carry. And if you happen to stay for more than 2 or 3 hours outside, let's say you are having fun, you're vacationing, make sure you use a mist. Mist is any water based. You can use rose water, you can use thermal spring water. Your constant hydrating of your skin with a mist gives you a lot more relaxation, and it also helps in hydrating your dry skin.